FastAPI is currently one of the fastest growing Python frameworks for building APIs. But how easy is it actually? So let's build our first API together in just a few minutes. Hey, what's up everyone? In the previous video, we learned what FastAPI is and why it's becoming so popular among developers. Now from today, we are going to start the hands-on part of FastAPI. In this video, we will quickly set up FastAPI and prepare our development environment. By the end of this video, we will create our first simple API. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First things first. As you can see, I have opened an empty folder in Visual Studio Code. The first thing we need to do is create a virtual environment. To do that, open the terminal and run this command. Python 3-m venv and then type the name of your environment. Here I am setting the name to venv. I am using Python 3, so that's why the command starts with Python 3. Now let's activate this environment. So type this command to activate the environment. And once the environment is activated, we are ready to install FastAPI. To install FastAPI, run this command pip install. Then inside quotes type FastAPI bracket standard. Then press enter and this will install FastAPI along with the recommended dependencies. Great, now we are ready to start coding. First, let's create a file named main.py and inside this file we need to import FastAPI. So to import FastAPI, type from FastAPI import FastAPI. Next, we create an instance of the FastAPI class. So I'll create a variable called app and assign it like this. Now let's create our very first API endpoint. To do that, we use app as a decorator followed by the HTTP method we want to use. In this case, we will use a get request and define the endpoint with a slash. Now just below that, I'm gonna create a function called sample. Inside this function, I'll return a simple response hello world. So you will notice that I'm returning a Python dictionary here, but we didn't convert it into JSON manually. And that's one of the powerful features of FastAPI. It automatically converts Python dictionaries into proper JSON responses before sending them to the client. Now it's time to run the server and test our API. To start the server, run this command in the terminal FastAPI dev. And this will start the development server. Now let's test the API. So here I'm using Thunder Client, which is a lightweight API testing tool available inside Visual Studio Code. So let's type the URL here and I'll send a GET request to this endpoint. And as you can see, it returns the hello world response. If you don't have Thunder Client installed, just go to the extensions tab and search for Thunder Client. So here you can see we got it and from here you can install it. And that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will start exploring FastAPI more and building cool stuff using it. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.